Dad, is your ex not spending the child support payment on the kids the way she's supposed to? Here's what you can do about it. Almost nothing. I'm attorney Vanessa Vasquez, founder of the Vasquez de Lara Law Group, where we help when family problems become legal problems. While there are some ways to change child support that I'm gonna get into in a minute, the reality is that as long as the mom is meeting her duties as a parent, if you've been ordered to pay child support, she can use the money however she sees fit. And in this day and age, if you're receiving child support from your ex that was established in court, the same is true for you too. She cannot tell you how to spend your money. There may be some things laid out in the divorce agreement, like childcare or private school, that have to be paid. But I had a case before where dad was upset because he thought that mom should buy nicer shoes than Walmart, but that's not how it works. Child support in Florida is based on a formula that looks at both parents' income. It looks at the time sharing that the kids have with each parent, health insurance, and care. And whatever number the court comes up with from that chart, that's what you're going to be obligated to pay. We've also had cases where dads were trying to reduce their child support payments by deducting what they were paying directly for. So if they owed $1,000 in child support a month, but they took the kids back to school shopping, and then they tried to say that that was the child support for the month. Not a good idea. If you have a good relationship with your ex, you may be able to work something like that out, but that's not going to stand up in court if she doesn't agree. And if you become delinquent in your child support, you could end up with automatic deductions from your paycheck, suspension of your driver's license, suspension of a professional license like your CPA or real estate agent license, and maybe even jail time. Now, I did say there are some ways to have things change. Child support is often calculated from the time that you split with your ex. That means circumstances might have changed. You might have gotten a different job, but so might she. She may be making more. You might be making less. So you may also need to look at the expenses. If you had a toddler in daycare and now you don't, those things need to come out of your child support. The most common way to change the child support is with a post-judgment modification. But you can't just ask the judge to change it because you don't like how she's spending it. You have to be able to show a significant and permanent change in circumstances. So if you lost your job and your income's less, or she got a new one and her income is higher, that is a significant and permanent change. There's many things in life that could change those calculations for child support that were made when that child support was initially established. But to change it, you're going to have to go to court. If you'd like to learn more about how child support is calculated and enforced in Florida and how it can be changed with a post-judgment modification, be sure to click the link in the description or our bio to visit our site for some more free resources. I'm attorney Vanessa Vasquez with the Vasquez de Lara Law Group. And remember, when family problems become legal problems, we can help.